Oxidation and reduction. If a substance gains oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be oxidized. If a substance loses oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be reduced. Activity. Heat a china dish containing about 1 gram copper powder. The surface of copper powder becomes coated with black copper oxide. This is because oxygen is added to copper and copper oxide is formed. 2Cu plus O2 in the presence of heat gives 2CuO. If hydrogen gas is passed over this heated material, the black coating on the surface turns brown as the reverse reaction takes place and copper is obtained. CuO plus H2 in the presence of heat gives Cu plus H2O. During this reaction, the copper oxide is losing oxygen and is being reduced. The hydrogen is gaining oxygen and is being oxidized. In other words, H2 reactant gets oxidized while CuO gets reduced during a reaction. Such reactions are called oxidation-reduction reactions or redox reactions. Some other examples of redox reactions are ZnO plus C gives Zn plus CO. In reaction, carbon is oxidized to CO and ZnO is reduced to Zn. MnO2 plus 4HCl gives MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. In reaction, HCl is oxidized to Cl2 whereas MnO2 is reduced to MnCl2. From the examples, we can say that if a substance gains oxygen or loses hydrogen during a reaction, it is oxidized. If a substance loses oxygen or gains hydrogen during a reaction, it is reduced.